just got home. I'm about to hop into the shower before I leave again, but I wanted to make an honorable mention. This is the Jo Malone English Pear and Fresnia exfoliating shower gel. This stuff is so good. There you guys go. You can see the packaging. It's almost finished. Hope it's not too dark. I have my blinds up so I can get some sleep, but I just put on my clothes. I'm waiting for an Instacart order. Like I said, I'm designing a property and I just got a couple of things, like small things, like a trash can. There's like a utility mat, some hangers, some air freshener. Pants and skirts. Here is the tea that I like to drink. Yogi bedtime tea, caffeine free. I just got home and yesterday I had a package delivered. This is something new I want to try out for filming in my car because I move around a lot and I don't know, I just feel like I need something mounted in my car that's going to make it easier for me to vlog for you guys. So this product I found on Amazon. It's from Newer. It's one of the suction cup car mounts. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of huge. The reason I got this one is because I can use it for the camera and my cell phone because it has the little cell phone clasp. And then for my camera, yes. Oh wow. Screw it on this way. And then I'm guessing this is what helps it move. Put it on. I've seen a lot of people put it on their windshield, but then I'm like, what if I have to wind down my window? Let's see. But it seems pretty strong. Okay, let's attach you guys. Y'all are mounted. Okay, feeling very official. Very, very official. Okay guys, I love this thing. I love that I can like put it anywhere and get like really interesting shots for you. This morning is not as busy as yesterday. I'm not doing any decorating at the property today. I'm doing kind of like paperwork, business stuff. So I'll probably be on my computer and laptop sending emails, drafting up things using Excel for the next hour. Hopefully I can get to sleep by 11 so that way I can prepare for my shift tonight. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so much to do. And then I also have to do some learning modules for work. Let's go inside. I'm gonna make a cup of tea, grab my laptop, and knock this out and then get some sleep. Before we go inside, I just wanted to do some vlog inception. Like I showed you guys, this thingy, this mount thing, has a cell phone connection. So I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested. You're vlogging, you're looking for a good car mount for your phone and your camera. Work. It's my 3 of 3, so I'm gonna go knock this out. I would really love to take a very like long nap, but we can't. We have to go take care of our patients. So I'm gonna finish my shift. I'm gonna see you guys again at 7:30, and then tomorrow I have some more paperwork, some more business stuff, and then later on in the day I'm gonna go back to the property that you guys saw in the beginning of this vlog and do a couple more alterations and maybe take some photos and upload them. And yes, so I will see you guys in the morning. To start learning something new, and of course, because I'm just a type A individual, I've decided to learn about economics. Found this guy on YouTube. He's a professor who teaches about economics and finances. I don't want to take like a formal class. I just want something like general education. So he teaches like profit and loss, business things, economics. He also teaches, he has so many videos. He teaches about capitalism, socialism, macroeconomics. I've been watching his videos back to back. He teaches it like a structured classroom, which is really great for me. And then I've been taking notes on my Google Docs app to make like a document. So that's what I'm currently doing at 10 o'clock at night because I work nights. So I'm naturally alert and active at this time. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably also gonna see if I can fit in some editing for this vlog so I can get this up for you guys. And then Sunday, plan is for me to shoot my fashion video. house. Actually didn't mean to go so hard, but I went hard in the paint, and I took a little extra hour from the schedule. I was really supposed to be at the property an hour ago, but you know, I want to come home to a clean house. Like, I'm excited now that when I come back, it'll be clean, it'll smell good, and the good sounds will be on with the property and the interior design and all that good stuff. Today's been a day. The first clip you saw of me, I believe, was cleaning, because I started cleaning at like 11 o'clock ish, and from about 9 to 11 I've been doing paperwork. From 9 to 11 I've been on the computer. I finished up one of the classes. As you guys saw last night, I was looking at an economics class. I just finished that unit, and then I also edited some of my vlog, and I also did some more business paperwork. I figured out what a balance sheet was and all this other crap. In the car, I'm going to drive over there. I just have to set up a lamp, do a little bit of tidying up, and then I can get these photos done. Then I have to come back because I have more stuff I need to do today. And it just sucks that I only got 2 days off this week. So yeah, I'm trying to fit it all in, and then I don't get a day off until Friday. And don't mind my hat. I just don't be having time to glue down this wig, and girl.
My baby is drama, mama. Don't like me. You want things like having to watch her neighborhood.
That is all.